Welcome to my channel Techie San. Address space. Physical address space. It is the address space in hardware. It is the address space in hardware. In both RAM as well as in ROM and in all memory locations, in all memories. Okay. Now, this physical address space, the CPU can access that address without any problem. The CPU can access the address directly without any problem. So, a microcontroller without memory management unit always works with physical address space. So, if your microcontroller doesn't have memory management unit, the address space that it uses is physical address space. By default, you can tell that it works with physical address space. Virtual address space. Abstract layer created by the memory management unit to map virtual address to physical ones. The virtual address will be created and this will be mapped with that of the physical address. Okay, the benefits is that process isolation, you can protect your memory, you can do multitasking easily. These are the benefits. Address space in embedded system. No, the thing is that simple microcontroller will not have memory management unit and it works with only physical addressing. Simple microprocessor, that is 8-bit, 16-bit microcontroller unit like Atmega, PIC, different architectures. These microcontrollers will not have memory management unit. It works only with a physical address. Advanced processor like ARM Cortex-A will support virtual memory. Advanced processors will support virtual memory. The key difference table is that difference table between physical addressing and virtual addressing is that memory abstraction, there is no memory abstraction in case of physical addressing. It is high or it is more in case of virtual addressing. Physical addressing is used only in basic microcontroller unit. Virtual addressing is used in advanced embedded system. The security in physical addressing or isolation in physical addressing is very low. In security or isolation in virtual addressing, it is very high. Multitasking capability, it is limited in case of physical addressing and it is
Thank you, friends.